Put it in 4. Jason, put it in 4 wheel. Put it in 4 low. Yes, 4 low second. Nice and easy. Just crawl it. There you go. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. You're doing good. Feather it. First. How far up that you going to try to go?
We'll find out.
Right there might be good. Right there's AJ's. Jason.
Back.
Well, yeah. Can't get too far into that dang thing. We're the only ones out here. Okay, turn. Other way. Whoop, stump, stump. If you think you can side hill it, then turn into here. Oh, you got that big stump in front of you. Stump! You fuckwad, I told you stump. Only I can run my Jeep up stumps. Okay, first gear. Just put it in first gear, just let out on the clutch, no brake, and just let it go down on its own. Is that you? Are you in first?
Yeah.
All right.